Hi everyone, it's Donna Cash with Designs by Donna Atlanta, and this morning I am making a sheer panel and I want to put in a narrow weighted hem in the bottom of the panel. So what I'm doing is I've got a 1/8 inch welt foot on my machine, and it's the right welt foot, meaning that the groove, the cutout for the welt, is on the right hand side of the foot. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the bottom of the fabric, folding it over, placing the beaded weight chain on the folded fabric, and rolling that fold over. So the fold in the fabric is actually at the top edge. And then I'm holding the front and the back of the fabric as I stitch over that weight. If you don't have a welt foot, you could always use a zipper foot. And if you're not comfortable folding the fabric and placing the welt in at the same time, you can always pin the fabric around the beaded weight chain. And so this is creating a very nice narrow hem. And I like to do this on shears that are going to be in a door or in front of a low window where I may not want a double 4 or double 5 inch hem to where I have a shadow. So it's very simple, it's very quick, and very pretty.